Good morning. Here we're going to go through and write the formula now for an arithmetic sequence. So what we're going to use as our guiding question today is, can you find the 70th term of the sequence for -1, -6, so on and so forth. So what we want to do is we want to be able to find out what the 70th term is. Now one way to do that is you could go through and find out what the common difference is, and you can see that the sequence is going down by -5, making it arithmetic because it goes down by -5 every time. And you could do that till you had 70 terms. That's going to take forever. So what we're going to look at today and what we're going to discuss is how can we go through and find out the 70th term without doing a whole lot of work. Here's our general formula right here. We got the word start, change, multiply, and x minus 1. Well, what does all that mean? Start is just going to equal our first term, and then change is our common difference. So, looking back at our sequence that we want to write, we would look at the first term, which is 4. So we would have 4 plus our common difference. We said the difference between 4 and -1 and -1 to -6 was -5. So we're going to do times, or sorry, plus -5 times x minus 1. This is just going to be the general plugging in, and then we would still have to distribute and collect like terms. So that's going to equal 4 plus, or sorry, it's going to be 4 minus (5x). Negative times a negative is a positive, so it's going to be plus 5 when I distribute the -5. Collect like terms, and we will have y equals -5x plus 9. Now, if I wanted to find the 70th term, guess what I do? I take x equals 70, take 70 and plug it in right there and do the math. Alright, so it's asking us to write the formula for these two sequences. So remember, the formula is y equals your starting spot plus the change times x minus 1. So what we need to do first is figure out if there's a common difference, and we're going up by 6 and up by 6, not 16, just by 6. So what we would say is that's our change, or that's our common difference. So our formula is going to be y equals the starting spot, which is 2, plus the change, which is 6, times x minus 1. And then we would go ahead and distribute the 6. So 2 plus 6x minus 6. 2 minus 6 is -4, so our final would be y equals 6x minus 4. Alright, go ahead, pause the video, try to write the formula for the next one, and we'll come back to it. Alright, let's see how you did. We have our common difference is adding 1.5. So what we know is it's y equals our starting spot, which is 3, plus 1.5, because that's our change, that's how much we're going up by, and then it's always x minus 1 in parentheses. Distribute the 1.5, so we have 1.5 x minus 1.5. Collect our like terms, and then our final is going to be, and I'll write it in pink here, y equals 1.5x, and 3 minus 1.5 is adding 1.5.